Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I pretty much do my makeup every day. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my brows, and I'm going to be using LA Girl Brow in the color Soft Black. My eyebrows are micro shaded. They're pretty much called powder brows. Honestly, I can't remember who did them, but she was great. I will link her below if you guys are like interested, but she is in Orlando. First of all, excuse my skin. I'm going through it, okay? Your girl has oily, acne-prone skin, and I still don't know what to do. I need to see a dermatologist, but right now, the good dermatologists don't have any openings until next year, so I'm stuck with my skin for now. But this is how I do my brows. This is not how my brows naturally are. I actually gave myself a brow lift, so I kind of like shaved off the tip, which kind of grows like this. And I like drew it higher so it could look like, you know, I have like a brow lift, and I had her micro shade my brows like that. So I'm gonna do the other one and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have them shaped the way I want them, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand. I do think this shade is a little too light for me. With everything going on, they won't allow you to test makeup, so I can't even test any other shade. So, and I'm not gonna buy like 7 shades until I get the right one. So for now, I'm just using Tan Sand. So now I'm gonna go over the top of my brows with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I am in the color Cinnamon. So now I'm going to move on to my face. So I'm going to prime with the Professional by Benefit Cosmetics. I'm going to apply this on my nose and my cheeks. Now I'm going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and Jackie Aina put me onto this primer. I freaking love it. Like when I tell you, this holds your makeup so well. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with that foundation. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hands, and I'm gonna spread it with my fingers throughout my face. I just feel like your fingers are the best tools when it comes to makeup. So this is how I save product. This will save you a lot of product. So literally I just did 3 pumps and it will cover my entire face. I used to just like pump it into my sponge and put it all over my face, and I would have to do like 10 to 12 pumps. And then I realized it's because the sponge is absorbing all of the product. So around where I have more acne scars, I'm going to dab more product on that area with my fingers. So it's like around my maskne area, which is so annoying. I can't wait until we don't wear masks anymore because... So I'm gonna let this sit on my face for about 3 minutes. This just makes it more full coverage for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it with a makeup sponge. So I recently did my lips myself. I did it with a Hyaluron pen. If you guys wanna see that video, I most likely posted it right before this video. So go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna put 1 more pump of foundation on the back of my hands, and I'm gonna use my makeup sponge, just Sponges by e.l.f. I love this sponge so much. It is so soft. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation. Okay, so another thing that I do, I take my sponge with a little bit or the remainder of the product, and I go in between my brows, and it creates that fade effect. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, same Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna go under my eyes. I love full coverage, everything. I don't know how to do natural makeup. I apologize. So if you're looking for a natural beat, this is the wrong channel for you, because I don't do natural makeup. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit because we like it full coverage. Now I'm gonna go in with my Carli Bybel palette. This palette is so ill. It's disgusting. It's so beat up. I'm so mad she discontinued it, and the reasoning for her discontinuing it is so sad. I guess somebody took advantage of her, so she had to discontinue it, but it sucks. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. and mix it with this highlighting shade right here. And I'm gonna go right under my brows while they're wet, and it makes it pop, honey, pop. I like my eyebrows to be high. Me personally, that's just how I like them. If you don't like them, then that sounds like a personal problem between you and Jesus. I'm gonna blend the concealer. As you guys can tell, I wear lace. I try my best not to put product into my lace. I usually put powder in my lace, so when I go in and contour, that's like the only product that's around my lace area. Now I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced powder, and this is in the color Sand. I'm gonna go right under my eyes. And you wanna go fast. Like, you don't wanna look down, you wanna look up, you don't want it to crease. I went ahead and added that Too Faced powder to all parts of my face that I added the concealer, except for my nose. Now I'm gonna go in with this concoction of loose setting powder that I mixed together. It is literally a mixture of Laura Mercier's Translucent and Deep with Fenty in the color Honey. I think that's it. Yeah. I'm gonna go into this Morphe contouring palette. I'm sorry guys, I'm not one of those girls that keeps my makeup clean. It's so bad, but I'm gonna go into the color Blogger. I'm going into Blogger and I'm gonna contour my nose while it's wet. This helps for the contour to stick because I find that my nose contour will literally go away throughout the day or night if I powder my nose before I contour it. So lately I haven't been powdering my nose so the contour could stick, and I don't have that issue anymore. So we are contoured for the whole night, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and contour the rest of my face with Blogger and Fabulous. Now, as you can see, my contour lines are very harsh. I do this on purpose because I usually go in with this Fenty Beauty powder in the color Bahan Girl, whatever. But I go in with a big brush and I just blend everything together. Now I'm gonna go in with this Beauty Bakery. It's called a brownie bar and it's this one. I think there's two of them. I think it's the darkest one. And I go in with the orange shade. I love a good orange blush. Orange blush on black girls, such a vibe. So now I'm gonna move on to my eyes real quick. So I'm going to use this Matte Book palette by The Crayon Case. I love this palette. It's kind of gross, so yeah, what's new? But I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm gonna go back and forth between these shades right here. So I'm gonna go in with this Beauty Treats brush I got from like TJ Maxx or something. And I'm gonna focus this in my crease. I usually don't do a lot of eyeshadow. This is literally what I do every day. This is a Morphe brush in M504. I'm gonna go in with that second shade. And I'm gonna mix this with the orange shade. And I'm gonna blend that shade that I had in my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and like blend that into that shade just so it can create a gradient effect. This is literally what I do every single day. I like to drag that back here. Gives me that cat eye effect. So my opinion on this palette, I absolutely love it. Very pigmented, 4.5 stars. So now I'm gonna grab like, I think this is like a pencil brush from BB. Again, I got it from TJ Maxx. I just wet it with some water and I'm gonna go in with, actually I'm gonna go in with that same highlighter color in that Carly Bible palette, the lighter one that I showed you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose. So I will add a little dot onto my tip and then I will go down the bridge of my nose and I will blend that with my fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and wet that with some water and I'm gonna highlight. Woo! Wow, I love this. I just love it. I'm gonna go back in with that blush and I'm gonna, you know, add a little bit more. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm gonna, with this Morphe mattifying continuous setting spray, because like I mentioned before, your girl is oily. Now I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I'm just gonna add a little bit because I'm gonna add some lashes. So let me show you guys the lashes I've been using lately. I actually already have a pair that I'm using, but I bought like damn near the entire inventory at the store. But these are Beauty Spy lashes. These are I Envy lashes in 104. These are my go-to lashes. I have some glue on them. I'm letting them get tacky. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. My lips feel so naked right now, but you guys know the deal. I use NYX lip liner in the color Urban Cafe. I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen it real fast. I literally can't live without it. If they discontinue this, I will cry, but so now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline lipstick in the color Clay Crush. I've been using this for a long time. I think it's like the perfect nude. And depending on how I'm feeling, I'll add some gloss. If I'm gonna be out and about wearing a mask, I ain't putting on no gloss because there's no point. Honestly, there's no point in even putting on lipstick if you're gonna wear a mask. But since I'm not wearing a mask today, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline lip gloss in the color Amber. So this is the look for today. This is my everyday glam. I freaking love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.